everybody. I'm about to enter a supermarket here in Italy, Milan. You have to do a quick one because they're going to close soon. They normally close at 9 o'clock and now it's already 8:40 in the evening. So I'll make a quick round. Usually the supermarkets are really small, maybe because most of the time I'm in centralized areas, but they do have huge ones, really big ones at perhaps the outskirts. So this is of course the medium size, not the small, medium sized one. It is in the train station, at the basement of the train station of Milan Centrale. 9 o'clock it closes. So this biscuit area. Now this is a Schermast area with all the cold meat, fruits. Where's this section? Spices. Spices section. They still provide all these bags for your convenience. Insalata mista. Vegetable section. And this is something that is more difficult to find in Asia. Domo. Biscuits. They love biscotti with their coffee and salad in boxes. Some more cold cuts here. In comparison, these cold cuts are a lot cheaper than when I bought from Parma. But going to Parma, of course, you need to buy one from there. And this is so cute. Interesting shape. It's more than tricolor now. Multiple color. 8 colors. All kinds of spaghetti you can get when you're here. And the herbs. Different kind to go with pasta. So many types. Each one is about $4.49 or $4.99 depending. Then after the cold cuts, you have the raw meat side by side and sandwiches above. Interesting way of displaying fresh pasta. Your spreads, cheese. This one I saw in Amsterdam. I actually bought it. I think I still have it at home. Time to eat it. If you have a microwave, you can buy this pasta and microwave it. So all the different yogurt stuff. Some more cold cuts. Many selection. Some spreads. That side is chocolate biscuit. In the morning they have a lot of sandwiches here. Now what you do is you have to press one of these buttons and then you get a ticket number. Now it's the last one was 87, the next is 88. I had 17 this morning. Then when it's your turn, they will serve you. So it's a queue system there. Italian dessert. I want to highlight this thing. This kind of biscuit. It's very yummy. But it has to come in a container like this to prevent it from breaking any further, and it takes up a lot of space. Very good with coffee. And the bread. Oh, I love Italian bread. Well, as a matter of fact, any European bread. Each of these is about $3, 3 something. This one is $3.71 for olives. I got a mushroom one for about $3.59. saw someone eating this on the train today. It must be good. The way she ate it, it's like, ooh, so fantastic. And I'm in for the nero sepia, which is the squid ink pasta. I can see it at the bottom. Squid ink pasta. So many types. This is something new I have never seen. Basically different flavors flattened together. Just be creative rather than having different noodles together. You see a security guard there. And this is the cashier area. These are the cashier area. Caramella, cioccolato. Detergent area, and this is the soft drink and the water area. Excuse me, that's not the soft drink. I think there are some kind of yeah, it's not soft drinks. Soft drinks are here. Excuse me. Chips area. So it's got Franzis here, but Twisties in Australia. This brand. This drink, Fanta, because got the orange, yeah, is different from if you drink in Asia. So if you're a fan of Fanta, you should get it from here, this one. It tastes different, totally different. The orange one, huh? So it's a wine section. I won't go in detail. So that's it already. That's the end of the whole supermarket. This is what I mean by small. And of course, pasta sauces. I think the pasta sauces are very good. You know, like just now, no skill at all. She just put everything and mixed together, and surprisingly, it tastes not bad. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I thought I just wanted a proper meal, so I ordered that without expecting much from that place, and it turned out, not bad at all. So we have the apple risotto. So all these different kinds of risotto, risotti, spaghetti helps you, and this is something unique. Strong mint, classic strong mint toothpaste. Maybe it's a local thing. Yep. Just like in the UK, it's a tea place. Italy is a very coffee place. They have very good coffee. This is cool. They even provide gloves, so you won't need to stain your hands just in case. Checking up time, so they clear it. They have Asahi beer, Japanese beer, and sushi. And they provide chopsticks and garnish. Ramen, miso ramen. So I've shown you a little bit. Oh, Chinese stuff, Asian stuff, the kikoman sauces and stuff. I've shown you what I think needs to be shown here in this supermarket. And I gotta start my shopping now. I have 10 minutes left. So thanks for watching this very brief video of mine, and I hope you like it. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. I made it on time to get my few items. Thank goodness. Just to highlight the whereabouts of the shops. Now, can you see the clock there? This section is like kind of outside the train station, yet part of the train station. Supermarket is below this one. Then you have this main section here, whereby the in-between levels are actually for ticketing and other kinds of shops like clothing and stuff. but not the supermarket. Supermarket is outside at the outside section, so don't get confused. But they have in between levels where the travelators will go by. Then that section there on the ground level, parallel to the road, is the Mercato, and the platforms will be that direction as well. So I hope this is clear and you won't get lost and waste time looking for it.